Have you ever noticed how apps recommend the perfect movie, product, or song almost instantly? Behind these smart experiences are systems that can analyze huge amounts of data and understand how different pieces of information are related. One technology that helps power these intelligent systems is Qdrant. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the OrbiLearn channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on AI, cloud, and programming. Now let us explore what Qdrant is and why it is becoming important in modern AI applications. Qdrant is an open-source vector database designed for storing and searching vector embeddings. These embeddings are numerical representations created by machine learning models to describe data such as text, images, audio, or even user behavior. In artificial intelligence, when models process data, they convert it into vectors that capture patterns and relationships within the information. When two vectors are close in a mathematical space, it means that data they represent is similar in meaning or context. Instead of relying only on traditional keyword searches, Qdrant performs vector similarity search. This allows applications to find results that are related in meaning, even if the exact words are different. For example, if a user searches for relaxing music, a system powered by Qdrant might also suggest calm instrumental tracks or peaceful background music. Even though the wording is different, the system understands the intent behind the search. Another powerful feature of Qdrant is the ability to store extra information with vectors, called payloads. Developers can filter search results using these payloads, such as categories, tags, or other attributes. This combination of filtering and similarity search makes results more accurate and personalized. Qdrant is also designed for high performance and scalability. It can manage large collections of vector data while still delivering fast responses, which is essential for real-time AI applications. Because of these capabilities, Qdrant is commonly used in recommendation systems, semantic search engines, document retrieval platforms, and intelligent chatbots. In simple terms, Qdrant helps applications understand relationships and complex data and quickly deliver the most relevant results. We have also launched free courses on our website to support your learning journey. You can explore them using this link. The link is also available in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next learning video on OrbiLearn.